What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video and to the channel. So in this video I'm going to be installing some more forged carbon on the F30. As you guys know, I've been slowly adding more and more forged carbon onto the F30 and replacing some of the carbon fiber pieces with forged carbon because I'm trying to get the complete forged carbon look with all of the exterior, pieces, the front lip, side skirts, spoiler, mirror caps, all forged carbon. And the two pieces in this video are going to nearly complete the look. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. So here I have the two new forged carbon pieces I'm going to be installing on the car. First off, you can see I have a new JHP style front lip in forged carbon. This is identical to the front lip I currently have in the car. It's just in regular carbon fiber. And they are both from Souvenir Motorsports. So that is pretty awesome. They offer this style front lip in both forged carbon and carbon fiber. I'll leave a link down in the description if you guys are interested in checking this out for yourself. Now, as you can see here, I have some forged carbon M-style front grills. Right now, I currently have some regular carbon fiber M-style front grills that are from my own store, Inline 6 Auto. And I'm now going to be offering these forged carbon front grills as well on the store. So I'm super excited to share these with you guys. But yeah, guys, as I mentioned, I'm trying to get all forged carbon pieces on the F30, and these two pieces will nearly complete it with the exception of one last piece or pieces, which are the carbon fiber rear bumper extensions I have on the car that are from my store, Inline 6 Auto also. So yeah, guys, I'm super excited to install these on the car. I don't know about you guys, but I've started to like the forged carbon look a lot better than the regular carbon fiber. I don't know what it is, but just the kind of flaky, unsymmetrical, look of forged carbon just looks a little bit more unique and stands out more than just the, symmetrical look of carbon fiber. So yeah, I'm super excited to see how this looks on the front of the car. So anyway, let's get started on installing these. So before I actually put them on the car, I'm gonna go ahead and ceramic coat them with this ceramic coating kit that I've been using on all of my new carbon fiber and forged carbon pieces. I've been using it for about 7 months now, and I have to say that it definitely works in terms of helping prevent, yellowing and fading of any of the carbon fiber pieces. When they're in the sun, they kind of start to fade and yellow. This has definitely helped prevent that. In addition, it also makes the pieces like hydrophobic so that water just, rolls off. It doesn't stick to it and dry on there, creating, watermarks and trapping dirt and all that stuff. So they are a lot easier to clean. On top of that, they give all of the pieces a very shiny, extra glossy look. So that is another plus to using this kit. So definitely recommend ceramic coating all of your carbon fiber pieces and even your car, because it does work on paint as well. I'll leave a link to this ceramic coating kit if any of you guys want to check it out also. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and ceramic coat these real quick, and then I'll head out to the driveway, get the car on the quick jack so that I can remove the current front lip and then go ahead and throw the forged carbon front grills on. Alrighty, you guys, so I think these two new forged carbon pieces look amazing. They look a lot better than the regular carbon fiber look, in my opinion. As I mentioned, I just think forged carbon just looks a lot cooler and it stands out more than regular carbon fiber. Though I do think carbon fiber does look a bit cleaner, going back to what I was saying about carbon fiber just looking more symmetrical and forged carbon looking more like not symmetrical. It just kind of looks like a bunch of pieces and just looks very flaky and not as symmetrical. But I still think it looks cooler and stands out more, which I think weighs out more than just a cleaner symmetrical look with carbon fiber. So yeah guys, I am 100% satisfied with how these came out. But as usual, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section of this video. I always like hearing your guys' opinions on different mods and different things regarding, you know, my BMWs and what you guys think looks cool, doesn't look cool, and all that stuff. So that is pretty much going to wrap up this video. As usual, I will leave a link to this front lip directly from Souvenir Motorsports if you guys want to check out this front lip for yourselves. One thing to note about this front lip, if your car is very low, this is probably not the lip for you, because this, from what I've seen, people ruin and damage this front lip pretty frequently. I've talked to some people on Instagram who've gone through about 3 of these front lips, just because it sticks out, you know, really far, and like you just can't always see dips on the road and stuff. And they've just lost it, ruined it, damaged it, whatever. So this lip isn't for everyone, so just know that going in. And this lip is not cheap either. It's going to be around $500, $600. So yeah, just know that if you are interested in buying this lip. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. As always, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more content like this if you liked what you saw. Also, feel free to check out my website at inline6auto.com for any of you looking for, you know, aftermarket accessories, carbon fiber accessories for your F30 series or E93 series. I have a bunch of stuff, and I hope to add a lot more stuff, so feel free to check it out. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. Also, in addition, feel free to follow me on Instagram at E90Hallenby. You are welcome to message me there if you guys want to talk about anything, if you have any questions about literally anything about my BMWs or your BMWs. I am always open to talking with you guys on Instagram, and that's the quickest way to get in contact with me. But yeah, anyway, I will see you guys in the next video.